Prepare yourself for financial success. The meteoric rise of XRP, which could potentially reach $1,650 to $2,900 by the end of 2024, is not just hype, but a significant development. BlackRock, the financial giant that successfully launched a Bitcoin ETF, is applying its expertise to XRP with the upcoming launch of an XRP ETF. This move is revolutionary, but there's more. BlackRock isn't the only one. Grayscale is also venturing into the market, proposing an XRP ETF and incorporating XRP into its cryptocurrency portfolio, thereby highlighting the growing influence of both XRP and Ripple Labs in global trade. Before delving into today's subject, let's briefly discuss BAS. I need you to do me a little favor. Go ahead and press that like button. Click subscribe and press the notification bell to become a part of our incredible community. Let's explore the fascinating world of XRP and see what's new today. Analyzing the data further reveals that BlackRock is the world leader in asset management and has an almost flawless reputation for ETF approvals. The way the traditional finance sector views digital currencies has changed significantly as a result of BlackRock's foray into cryptocurrencies and Web 3.0. Keep in mind that BlackRock boasts an impressive 99.8% approval rate for ETFs, demonstrating their unstoppable influence in the ETF industry. The nearly flawless approval record for ETFs is evidence of their unparalleled proficiency in managing the financial market. In this case, it's important to look at the broader picture. Not only have big financial firms like BlackRock and JP Morgan been interested in XRP, but they have also been actively collecting it. Leaked sources revealed that these giants have invested over 7.5% of their total wealth in XRP. A carefully considered article recently suggested that BlackRock would completely shift its focus from Bitcoin to XRP, indicating a substantial change in its investment approach. This action suggests that demand in XRP is growing, raising the prospect of a BlackRock bid. The XRP ETF is now more credible than ever, but it becomes even more intriguing from this point on. The existence of an XRP ETP has surfaced as a new development in the XRP saga. Its creator is still unknown, but it is a crucial step toward an ETF. Despite its launch, reports suggest that the XRP ETP remains in the pre-release phase with a zero value, and its unveiling is imminent. There are also additional rumors circulating regarding the simultaneous launch of an XRP ETF that coincides with the debut of both the ETP and ETF. This parallel release not only makes sense, but also highlights the ETF's rapid progress, possibly coming just weeks after the launch of a Bitcoin ETF. When we consider this, the potential for XRP is enormous, especially because Bitcoin surged to $43,000 even before the launch of its ETF. We're discussing the potential for XRP's value to surge to $1,650 or possibly $2,500 once its ETF launches. It's not impossible, the XRP ETF has already launched. Unbeknownst to many, vale, a titan in the financial industry, has officially released the exchange-traded product for XRP. This indicates that we are rapidly approaching the launch of an XRP ETF, anticipating approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission shortly. Yesterday, we talked about a recently published article that revealed that an XRP ETF might be on the horizon based on a leaked report from none other than BlackRock, which indicated an imminent ETF filing for XRP. In a public announcement, a leading BlackRock analyst confirmed the launch of a BlackRock ETF specifically tailored to XRP, further boosting the enthusiasm. They even went so far as to include the iShares XRP trust in connection with an initially dubious ETF filing. This development is a game-changer, and it demonstrates how close we are to witnessing a seismic shift in XRP's market presence that may mirror or even surpass the movements we've seen with Bitcoin's ETF. I personally verified this information, and sure enough, the Delaware List of Corporations website features it. Recent research has uncovered a noteworthy development in the cryptocurrency world. BlackRock and JP Morgan have both purchased more than 7.5 million XRP, A clear indication of institutional involvement. BlackRock is at the forefront of cryptocurrency. BlackRock is leading the charge not only by hoarding XRP, but also by utilizing the XRP ledger in their business dealings and, most significantly, by pushing for the public launch of an XRP ETF, given BlackRock's nearly flawless record of ETF approvals. The Republic of Palau is developing its central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger, and the likelihood of the XRP ETF receiving approval is very high. We suggest a target price of $983,000 due to the significant impact an XRP ETF will have on its value. This scenario presents a classic case of high volume, high demand, and limited supply, which logically points to a skyrocketing value per XRP coin. Are some individuals presuming that my optimism about XRP is just a fantasy? If so, they might have a valid point, but allow me to clarify. I am fully committed to accepting this hope. I'm taking a deep breath, igniting it, and transforming it into a powerful entity. I firmly believe in it. If you don't believe in hope and think it's just wishful thinking, that's absolutely fine, but let's still support each other. Hope is a lifeline, especially when things are awful and you're hanging on. Anything less feels like throwing tokens into a void, and that's not what we're about. We're here to stay. That's my motto. Speaking of positivity, I'm enjoying all of your stimulating discussions and thought-provoking opinions. They truly get my brain working. Turning Someone made an intriguing point. Institutions don't have to buy XRP. Leasing is an alternative. That's a worthwhile idea to consider, isn't it? I was wondering what would happen if only retail investors were purchasing XRP. I investigated this further and even questioned ChatGPT regarding the SWIFT system's daily transaction volume. The startling response was more than $7 trillion. Keep in mind that this is only international trade and excludes the derivatives market, which is worth quadrillions, smart contracts, NFTs, and tokenized assets like real estate. Now, consider XRP's possible involvement in all of these areas. However, if we reduce that $7 trillion to less than half, we can focus on just international trade, which is where SWIFT operates. Let's hypothesize as to what may occur if XRP, which has 1,700 connections, surpasses Ripple. Given XRP's vast network, it is reasonable to assume that some of these connections will invest in it. Referring back to our earlier discussion, even if we handle only $3 trillion daily, the system would need to sustain a gain of $3 trillion within that day. This scenario could potentially push the value of XRP to over $150 per token. Take a moment to relax about this idea. Once the system activates and institutions opt to lease instead of buy, we could witness a surge in values exceeding $150, particularly if XRP manages even half of this market. If it covers the full range of bank transfers, we're talking well over $100 per token. Perhaps while sipping an adult beverage, allow the possibilities of this hopeful vision to fully dawn on you. Please keep in mind that I am not a certified financial advisor, but it's an amazing world full of incredible opportunities. The sole purpose of these videos' content is to provide viewing enjoyment. I always advise viewers that before making any financial decisions, they should do their own research and speak with experts. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up button. Additionally, be sure to enable alerts. You will be the first to know when I post new material. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Be careful.